Hi everyone, I am JP Singh. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss a Power Query using Excel. So in this video, we learn that how we can import the data from one Excel to Power Query, and then further how we can append or combine these data. For example, there is a sample sheet in front of you. In this sheet, you can see we have a sheet January 25 data, which contain only as of now two column date and sales. We can have more column, but make this tutorial easy and understandable, I took the minimum. So we have a date and we have a sales. Similar data we have available for the February month. Similar data we have for the March. Similar in the sense we have a similar column as of now, but definitely the dates and the sales amount is different. So we have all 12-month data here. So let's learn how we can combine into a one single sheet and we can analyze using a pivot table. So we are using Power Query. I'm going to close the master and we will open a blank workbook where we are going to open the data tab. Initially, maybe you are in the home tab, you can just jump to the data tab. To launch the Power Query, you need to go to data tab and then under the get data option, you have an option to open Power Query editor. So I click on Power Query editor. It will land me to this particular window. As of now, there is a no source available. So because that sheet is blank, so I import the data from Excel. So that is my master data set. So this is the data 2025. I click on import. When the window come, it will show me all the tables and all the sheets. So these sheets I have, which we have shown. So I wanted to pick up all the months. So I click on select multiple items and one by one I click on all. So whatever item you click will be the part of import. So I'm going to click all. So as of now, select all button option is not available. So we click here and I click on OK. So once you click on OK, it will import the data from the Excel sheet, which is your master, to the Excel sheet you are working with. Whatever changes you will make in the master, that will automatically get updated here. Now I need to combine all these 12 months into a one single data set. So for that, once we import, we need to go to home tab. Under that we have an option called append. In append, we have two choice, append query and append query as a new. When I click on append query, what will happen? It will add all the data in December months. In this scenario, it is not feasible. So we need to pick add the data into a new query. So I click on append query as a new and we'll get an option how many tables you have. If you have a two table, this window is fine because I pick up the first table here and I pick up the second table here. But in case I have more than two, I need to click on three or more tables. So these are two which I already selected. So I can maybe add more. So I click on Fab. By pressing Control, I click on all others. So I am going to add these all data here. These two are already added, January and December. I'll pick up from Feb to November and click on add. So these are the table which is appended. These are the available tables. So your choice, you can pick all, you can pick selective. If you want to remove from here, you have these option. If you want to make an order up and down, you have the option. And I click on OK. So I'll get a new appended query, which is append 1. So it is an append 1. I double click on that data of 2025, or you can just type sales data, make it more meaningful. So this data is there. Now you have to just say close and load. It will land back to the Excel. but you have all the data available there in the form of a connection. It is loading the data. It will take few seconds. Almost done. So it depends on your data. It is going to pick up this. So I have the sales data. I do not need this data to be placed here because it is available in master and one link is created here. I need the summary of that appended data. So I right click on that. I say load to and I will choose the table. Now the current sheet, I will pick up the A1 cell, or you can click on new sheet, that works. So I click on the current sheet, I pick up the first cell and I click on OK. And you will see that all my data is available here. So when you look at the filter, it will show you that I have a 2025 January to December data. If you want to analyze, you can insert, make a pivot out of that. I am placing onto the same sheet to see the outcome. And I have a date and sales. I have the month wise data available. If you do not want day, if you do not want date, you can remove it from here. You will get an data, no grouping will be visible. And if you want to place into a chart, that's a superb. I'm going to pick up the chart. I can pick up a column chart and you can format it according to your requirement. So this is how, everyone, we are going to pick up the data from one single sheet, and this data will be visible for us by combining all the information. So in the next video, we are going to combine from a folder. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.